What's up, guys? My name is Heather Hooker from thefitmomtribe.com, and I am an independent prover with the amazing company Pruvit. I am currently a rank 6-star Circle of Champions prover, and I wanted to make this video for my team talking about how to get started right and how to make the most of what we call the Go Challenge, which is basically a fast start challenge. It's designed to help you launch your business right away, and you will also be rewarded financially for doing that and for hitting certain benchmarks. So let's go over the Go Challenge. So when you sign up, when you enroll as a Pruvit promoter, when you go to your cloud, you log into cloud.justpruvit.com, and on the left-hand side, you will see a green button that literally says Go. You have 14 days from the day that you sign up to push this button, and that is when your Go Challenge starts. That's the official launch of your business. You don't want to push that button until you have somebody who is ready to buy a month's supply from your Pruvit website, or until you have someone who is ready to join your team as a promoter. Before this starts, during this 14 days that Pruvit gives you before you have to push go, that's when you're going to be selling off your experience pack. You're going to be selling your 5-day experiences, your 10-day experiences. You're going to get your employees, and by employees, I mean your little packets of ketones. You're going to get those into as many people's hands as possible. Because of the way that our 10-day experiences are structured, it is a low cost of entry for people to try ketones, pick their favorite flavor. You're also going to be earning a profit off of that, but that's a separate video. So you get your ketones in as many people's hands as you can. And then when you have somebody whose 10-day is almost up, they're obsessed with the way that they feel, with their energy, their focus, they're sleeping better, they've lost some inflammation, they've lost some weight, they see the numbers on the scale move. When those people are ready to buy, that's when you push the go button. So you can check the status of your Go Challenge at any time. I do recommend that if you are in your Go Challenge, you check it every day. You can check at any time by going to Rewards and then scroll down to Weekly Bonuses, and then keep scrolling until you see Go Pro. There is a little arrow, it's a little down arrow or like a carrot, whatever this is called. Click on that to expand it, and it will show you exactly how far you are from achieving the GoPro bonus. It'll be little green bars that go across the screen. Once you've achieved something, it will go all the way across, and a little green check will appear beside it. So it's pretty cool. It's not exactly 100% real time, but it's pretty close. So make sure you're checking that every day. So for the GoPro bonus, you're going to need 50 personal qualifying volume. All that means is that you have ordered your own personal ketones from the Pruvit website. You have 14 days to earn GoPro from pushing this button. Now, if you do not push the Go button, your Go Challenge will automatically start 14 days from the time that you signed up as a promoter. So whatever day this is, either the day that you push the button or 14 days from sign up, you have 14 days from that day to hit this GoPro. So you've got your own personal order of ketones. You have to do 800 BV, which is 800 volume. You have to sell 800 BV of ketones, which roughly translate to actually it doesn't roughly translate, because if you have one person who buys a couple of boxes, it's equivalent to 2 people buying 1 box, but you just want to have people buying directly through your website. Every time somebody clicks through your website and orders a box of ketones or a box of ketone cream or whatever we happen to have on sale at that moment, that's going to move this little bar over closer to that 800 BV. You have to have at least 2 different customers. So you can't log into the cloud under your mama's name and buy up all your stock. It has to be 2 separate customers. And then you also have to have 1,000 in team volume. So even though it says 2 customers here, you really want to try to get somebody on board with your team from day 1, push and go. So you want to talk about this promoter. You want to talk about why you decided to just sign up as a promoter. Those same benefits that you're looking forward to, those same goals that you're working to, I promise you there are 1,000 other people just like you who also need those in their lives. So from day 1, talk about being a promoter, get a promoter signed up to your team that helps with your team volume. Now you can achieve these, you can achieve this 1,000 team volume by yourself. It's just going to be a little harder. So instead of hitting 800 personally, you're going to have to hit 1,000 personally. When you hit this bonus, you're going to earn $250 deposited straight into your Pruvit wallet. The next bonus in the Go Challenge is called Go MVP. You have to have 50 personal qualifying volume, which again is your ketone order. This bonus starts 30 days from your Go Challenge. So whenever your Go Challenge starts, you have 30 days from that day to hit Go MVP. You do not have to hit Go Pro to be Go MVP. So you can actually miss this one and still earn the $500. So for this one, it basically doubles. And you're going to have 1,600 MBV. So that's customer orders through your website, totaling at least 1,600 BV. You're going to have at least 4 customers who purchased directly from your Pruvit website. And you're going to have at least 2,000 in team volume. So this is, again, where we talk about how you want to have people joining your team right away. If you have somebody who did the 10-day experience, who loved it, who's posting about it, who's sharing with you these amazing results, make sure that you mention that they can sign up as a promoter and do what you're doing. Get in on this train, ground level floor. This thing is exploding, going crazy. You can do 2,000 by yourself, but it's just going to be tougher. So 2,000 in team volume. I recommend definitely trying to enroll a promoter right away and do this with someone. It's just better, it's just easier, and also it's just more fun. So hitting Go MVP, once you hit all of these things, you get all of these things turn green and you have a check mark, you're going to get an extra $500 bonus. So you're making money off your experience packs. You got the GoPros $250, you got the Go MVP $500. But earning the Go MVP also unlocks extra bonuses. And when you earn this Go MVP, you're going to be paid for that. You're going to be compensated for that for as long as you are a Pruvit promoter. So let's think about that for a second. Let's pause for a second. So what you do in your first 30 days as a Pruvit promoter is going to affect your paycheck for as long as you are enrolled as a Pruvit promoter. Okay, so let me explain what the Go MVP, what else the Go MVP unlocks, because it's pretty nice. All right, so Go MVP also unlocks something called the MVP Mentor Bonus. That means that as your team grows, as you're bringing in these people, and you've knocked it out of the park. You've killed your Go Challenge. You earned your GoPro bonus. You earned your Go MVP bonus. And what you do is you duplicate that over and over. So every promoter that signs up with me on my team, I want them to get that GoPro bonus. And so I help them. I want them to get that Go MVP bonus. So I help them. I give them my resources. I tell them how I did it. And I just try to be there to support them so that they can do it as well. And it's a ripple effect. Everybody that they sign up to the Go Pro, Go MVP. So this is how you're compensated for that with the MVP Mentor Bonus. So every person that you personally sponsor, so every new promoter that signs up directly with you, who earns Go MVP, they get $500 and you get $50. Every person that signs up on your second level, so these are people that are not your personally sponsored, but they're just in your downline. When they hit MVP, you also get $50. And on level 3, every person who signs up who gets Go MVP, you get $50. And then from there, levels 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, as your organization grows, you get $20 every time anybody in your organization hits the Go MVP bonus. So $20, $20, $20, $50, $50. It adds up quickly. The other thing that hitting Go MVP unlocks for you is something called the Go All-Star bonus. Now, this is where you have 120 days from the day that you enroll as a promoter to help 5 people become Go MVP. So you help 5 personally sponsored promoters to hit this $500 bonus and earn this $500 for their family. And as soon as your 5th person hits Go MVP, earns that $500 for their family, you get $1,000. Now, my team is full of rockstar badasses. So I wish that this went over and over, like every 5 MVPs you had, you got $1,000, but unfortunately it does not. It only counts for the first 5, and it only counts for that first 120 days. So you really don't want to hold all this back. If you are a promoter, if you see the vision of where this company is headed, if you have signed up as a promoter and you're sharing it and you're seeing all of the positive benefits to this promoter opportunity, you have to share it. You have to start sharing it. You don't have to be rank 6. You don't have to be earning thousands and thousands of dollars. You can focus on sharing why you wanted to sign up, why you wanted to enroll, and let people know that they can sign up with you and you can do this together. So that is the Go Challenge in a nutshell. That's really how you get started with this business. That's how you help your people get started with this business. And if you focus on the basics, which is the Go Challenge, the 5-day experience packs and the 10-day experience packs that you are selling on your own, you're shipping from your own. If you focus on those basics, you will build an insane Pruvit business in no time. I am proof. That's all I do. So if you have any questions, please feel free, reach out, comment below. But welcome to our team, and I'll see you soon in the MVP circle.